In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop or move part of your picture with the Select tool in Affinity Photo. By the end, you'll know how to isolate just the part of your image you care about and either crop the canvas to it or reposition that piece precisely where you want it. Start by opening your image in Affinity Photo. Once it's on your screen, look to the toolbar for the Selection tool. This tool lets you highlight exactly the portion of the picture you want to work with. Click and drag to define your area. Take your time here. If you need precision around edges, zoom in a bit so you can see clearly. Your selection doesn't have to be perfect, but the cleaner it is, the better your crop or move will look. If you're selecting a subject, try to trace just the part you want to keep or reposition, and make sure the marching ants surround that area. With your selection active, you have two different goals you can choose from: cropping or moving. If you want to crop, head up to the menu bar and go to Edit, then choose Crop. This tells Affinity Photo to keep the selected area and trim away everything outside of it. It's a quick way to focus the entire canvas on the exact portion you highlighted. Before you confirm the crop, double-check that your selection contains everything you need, because cropping changes the overall canvas to match. If something important is cut off, just undo and adjust the selection first, then try the crop again. If your goal is to move the selected area instead, switch to the Move tool. With the Move tool active, click inside your selection and drag. You'll see the selected pixels travel with your cursor, letting you reposition that part of the image anywhere on the canvas. This is especially useful for nudging an object into a better composition or aligning elements more precisely. If the selection doesn't move, make sure you started dragging from inside the selection, not outside it. Small, deliberate drags help with accuracy, and snapping guides can assist with alignment if you have them enabled. If you overshoot or change your mind, undo and try again until it looks right. That's all there is to it. Open your image, make a careful selection, then either crop via Edit and crop to focus your canvas, or switch to the Move tool and drag to reposition that selected area. Practice a few times, and you'll quickly get a feel for how precise you can be with this workflow.